Solve the equation for w. So we have p over w plus 4 equals 7z over w. Well, the first thing I see is we have fractions, so let's go ahead and clear those fractions by multiplying by the LCD. In this case, 4 is just over 1, so the LCD is just w. So I'll multiply each term by w. In the first term, that w cancels and I'm left with just p. In the second term, I don't have a w, so it will need to be multiplied, so plus 4w. The w cancels in that last term, so we get 7z. Again, you can multiply each term by w if that makes it simpler and just easy for you to see. Then you can kind of see which ones cancel and which ones are left. Okay, again, we're solving for w, and so we need to isolate that term. So we'll minus the p on each side. We get 4w equals 7z minus p. Divide by 4, we want to completely isolate that w, so w equals 7z minus p all over 4. And that's our final answer. So first, multiply by the LCD, clear those fractions. Second, isolate your variable term, which in this case would be the 4w, and then we can divide by 4.